G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning Queensland rural property, 43 Sandrabarbara Drive in the popular bayside suburb of Booral. There is a lot to take in on this one. Let's go and take a look around. Finding this authentic, gorgeous Queenslander named Woodara, nestled on a peaceful 4,985 square metre rural bush allotment, only a short drive away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD, is a sheer and unexpected delight. That is over an acre in the old scale, offering the best of bush and bay living, being located only a short drive away from the Riverheads boat ramp, which is the gateway to World Heritage listed Gari, Fraser Island. You can also enjoy fishing, prawning and crabbing throughout the Sandy Straits, the Mary and Susan rivers. This beautiful Queenslander is believed to have been originally built around 1886 and has been tastefully refurbished over time while maintaining its original charm, and offers dual living over both levels, making it ideal for those with extended family living with them, or the possibility to supplement your income as holiday letting accommodation or an Airbnb. Downstairs, this charming home includes 2 spacious bedrooms, an open plan living and dining area, a kitchenette with sink, a large bathroom which has recently been refurbished with a shower and vanity, a separate powder room and toilet, a large room off the carport which can also double as an outdoor entertaining or sitting area. Upstairs again features high ceilings throughout with those stunning hardwood floors. There are 3 large bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. 2 of these bedrooms offer direct access outside onto a private deck. The huge main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and classic ensuite with a freestanding bath, shower, double vanities and a toilet, and you've also got reverse cycle split system air conditioning as well. This home also includes a separate study or home office. The vast open plan lounge and living area again features those beautiful timber floors and forms the heart of this home, and also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning in addition to the ceiling fans. The timeless timber kitchen features beautiful hardwood bench tops and loads of storage plus a pantry, and also offers a servery out onto the outdoor entertaining deck. Quality appliances include a freestanding electric oven with 5-burner gas cooktop and a range hood. The expansive veranda wraps around 2 sides of this home, offering year-round protection for entertaining. This is where you'll relax and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in the large in-ground saltwater chlorinated pool, complete with shade sails, a spa and umbrella. Those wanting to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the 3 large rainwater tanks and 6.6 kilowatt solar power system. You also have a bore water pump with garden irrigation for the selection of fruit and citrus trees. There is also a chicken run plus tranquil dam and private landing. Those wanting to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the car spaces under the home, offering covered access into the home. You also have a large 9x9 metre hardwood double bay shed with high entry, mezzanine floor and power connected. You'll also note the high entry carport to the side, making it ideal for those with camper trailers, RVs and boats. Opportunities to secure a home like this just don't present themselves very often. So here is your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.